probably don't want to talk, but you don't mind.
Yeah.
It's all good. Okay, fine. So, basically, okay, what year are you in at Hunter?
It's my sophomore year.
Sophomore year. Oh, what's your major?
Trying to pursue nursing.
Sorry?
Nursing?
Nursing. Okay. Do you think you'll graduate on time?
I don't think so.
How come?
Because I'm a transfer student, so
Oh, your credits didn't get accepted.
yeah, not all of it.
Also, do you think that it's hard to get into the classes that you want at Hunter? Or it's fairly easy?
My first semester, so I'm not too sure of how Hunter works.
Okay. Do you feel like you're getting help? Is advising helping you, or are you left to your own devices?
Well, I think advising is helping.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, you mentioned that you transferred. So did you transfer from a private or public
No,
institution?
I came from City College.
And how does it compare? Like, you think Hunter is better, or?
Well, I think socially, in the social aspect, City College is definitely better.
Yeah. Well, duh.
Yeah.
Clearly.
There's like no like social life there, but and academically, it's much challenging here
Okay.
compared to there. But I would say I like City College better.
Yeah. It's okay. Represent. It's totally good. Also, I just wanted to ask you, do you? I mean, obviously, never been to a private institution, but do you think that it's better to go to a private institution or a public institution? Why?
Like you said, I never had an experience in a private institution.
Like, what are your ideas on it? What do you think would make private better or worse?
Yeah, do you think they get better education?
I would say yeah, they probably get better education. They probably have like someone helping them throughout the way of like all 4 years.
Yeah.
Opposed to here where you're on your own and you have to like do everything on your own.
Yeah.
And so I think that's the benefit of a private. But at the same time over here, I feel like it's less money to go to uni. So that would be the benefit of going to uni.
Awesome. Okay. Thank you so much for your
Thank
time.
you.